people love their pets. Most of the pet owners you know probably own cats or dogs, or maybe even cats that act like dogs. Some probably own hamsters, birds, or fish. You might even know somebody who lives on a farm and owns horses, sheep, or goats. But a few people own exotic pets, including your favorite celebrities. Curious which celebrities own some unique pets? Read on to check out some of the most unusual and exotic pets celebrities own. 1. Python snake. Many people like keeping snakes as pets. But they don't usually keep snakes as large or dangerous as the ones Guns N' Roses guitarist Slash has chosen as pets. Reptile magazine reports Slash is fascinated with boas and pythons and has had numerous snakes in his home. In fact, he has kept several large Burmese pythons and had a boa constrictor named Pandora. Pandora became most famous for making an appearance in the 1989 music video for the Guns N' Roses song Patience. 2. Lion. Actress Tippi Hedren has become just as famous for animal rights activism and conservation as for her movie roles. Time reports Hedren started the Roar Foundation and the Shambhala Preserve for big cats, including lions, leopards, bobcats, and servals. In the 1970s, Hedren kept a lion named Neil in her home. Neil sometimes even slept in the same bed as Hedren's teenage daughter, Melanie Griffith. The lion had the run of the house. Hedren has since acknowledged that it was stupid beyond belief to put her family at risk by allowing an animal with no conscience or remorse genes to roam free. As the Daily Mail notes, Hedren explains Neil never harmed her family. But she wrote in her memoir, "We should never have taken those risks." 3. Pop Crunch reports Kim Kardashian got a pet chimpanzee during the third season of Keeping Up with the Kardashians. The chimpanzee, named Susie, was 3 years old. As Kardashian wrote on her blog at the time, having a monkey is a lot of work. Susie always has her diaper on, and we are the ones who have to change it. It's just like having an infant but worse because Susie runs around like a teenager. She always needs to be fed, drinks out of a bottle, and she loves Capri Sun juices. Kardashian's post became a subject of controversy, and not only because she posted about Susie days after a chimpanzee mauled a Connecticut woman. Kardashian later explained the chimpanzee was just rented for a week as a prank on Kris Jenner. 4. Tiger. Mike Tyson famously owned Bengal tigers. Complex counts the 3 Bengal tigers among the dumbest athlete purchases of all time. Tyson reportedly paid $140,000 for the animals. But Complex posits that Tyson is already the world's most terrifying person, so the last thing he needs is an army of predatory cats. The Richest reports Tyson sold the tigers after owning them for about a year because they were so expensive to care for. But during the year they lived with him, one of the tigers reportedly headbutted Tyson so hard it knocked his gold teeth out. Nonetheless, he reportedly would like to own another tiger when he can afford to take care of the animal. 5. Wolves. Kristen Stewart, or, perhaps more accurately, Kristen Stewart's mother, is known for keeping wolf-dog hybrids as pets. The Mirror reports when Stewart was young, her mother kept wolves as pets. And she moved to a Santa Monica, California, ranch specifically for them. The younger Stewart visits them often. The wolves became a topic of controversy with the neighbors, even though the wolves are actually legal wolf-dog hybrids. Kristen Stewart told David Letterman the animals are really sweet. I cook for them when they're hungry. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Show us by subscribing and dropping a comment.